different kind of integration techniques. Okay, let's move on to 6.4. It's numerical integration. And along that, we have learned several different integration techniques. And there are still some integration that you cannot find an exact solution. One very good example is e power to minus x squared dx. But you can no problem to plot. If you want to graph this function, you can graph the function. There's no problem with it. But you want to integrate. Then you find that non-theoretical method that allow you to do that. And look, this function looks quite innocent, right? There's nothing complicated to it. And yet you cannot integrate. You will feel very strange about that. Looks quite easy, but you cannot find a theoretical solution. So what can you do with integration like this? Remember when we talk about defining integration, we say you can use the approximate method for that. You can use several rectangular areas to approximate the area, right? But if you want to use numerical integration, that means you are finding only the definite integrals, not indefinite integrals. Okay, so these only apply for definite integration. Okay, so if you have this kind of integration, then there is no exact solution. So what? We only can result to the second best. And